Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to unbox a ring light and also show you how to set up this ring light. I bought it from Jumia and made use of the Black Friday. So these are the features that I found in this ring light. We have this one, which is a ring light, and it has, can I call it a remote? Yeah. Then the second thing I found was this stand, and there were two stands, this big one and the smaller one. So we are going to all set them up. Then the next thing we have is this phone holder. You can see it clearly. It's a phone holder. Then we have the last one, which is this one, for connecting the ring light to the stand. So let's dive in by setting it up. So let's start with this one, the stand. When you want to make it taller, you'll open this way, this way. You can see how long. Then you close it up that way. You can set it up in the size that you want, but this is how long it can go. Then you close. Yeah, this is our stand. There you can see it. Then we are going to set up this one. By setting up this one, we are going to connect it to this one, then to our stand. Okay. Go up and open this. You can see it clearly. You can see this hole. You connect it to this part. Then you tighten it using this part. Then you can close it. Then you rotate, you open this one, then you rotate it so that it can face up to enable you to connect the ring light. Make sure it's straight. Our ring light is connected. Then we connect our phone holder. First, you open this one. You can see this one. Open it this way. You put it this way. Then this one, you connect it that way. Then you bring this down, you close it up. Then you take this one, you slide it in between these. We have a hole there. You slide it in that way. And this one you can always put it in the position you want. You can bend it this way. It's flexible. You can bend it. You can leave it straight the way you want it. Yes. We're going to open this. So this is where you connect it to a charger, phone header, then to the socket so that it can light up. So let's this remote, if I can call it that way, we have 4 buttons here. Don't know if you can see them clearly. We have the on and off button, then we have a negative here, then we have this one, then we have the positive button. So the positive button is for increasing light, but the negative button is for reducing the amount of light. Then this one here, between the positive and the negative, is for changing the type of light that you want. If you want the warm light or the brighter light, you can change it through this one, the type of light that you want. So let's connect it to our socket. So my socket is at the back, so I have to move. Okay, first I'll connect it to the header that way, then to my socket. Okay, when you connect it to the socket, the on and off button turns blue. It means it has been connected to the power. Then now we turn it on. You can see the ring light is on. If you want to reduce the intensity, the intensity of the light, you can use the negative one that way. Yeah. If you want to increase, you can use the positive one. You can see, yes. And this one for changing the type of light that you want. If you want, this is the white one, if I can call it that way. Then we have the warm one. This is the warm one. Don't know if you can see the difference. Then we have this one, the other one, then the last one. It can only change to 3 types of lights. That's about our ring light. When you were starting, I told you that my package came with 2 stands, the bigger one and the smaller one. So we are going to set up the smaller one. This is how you open it up. This is when you can, you want to use the smaller one, maybe you want to record on a table or anything, any stand that you have. So you put it, I'm going to use this box that way. Then I'll go direct and connect it to my stand. Connect this ring light to my stand. Okay, that way. So you have your stand and your ring light. Yes. That way. So I bought this from Jumia. I bought it. I bought all this from Jumia at 1,772 shillings, Kenyan shillings. Made use of the Black Friday. You can make use of it also. Normally it costs around 5,000, and that was a good deal. Thank you so much for staying till the end. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe down below. Like and comment and share, please. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much and welcome back. Until next time, bye.